All right, folks, I hope you're having another wonderful day like I always do. And it's time to do something very important. It's called weed time. Okay, now your Bermuda and your St. Augustine is going dormant, and the weeds are going to stay alive for a little bit longer, and it's time to spray them. Now you can either use the environmentally friendly 30% vinegar you get from Walmart, but you're going to have to use more of this stuff and spray more on the plant because of the cooler temperatures is going to make it harder for it to kill the plant. And you may have to go back and spray it again. But this is environmentally friendly. Okay, I use this a lot. It's really good, but I have now gone down to the Glyphosate or the MSA Target 6, and I have a review on that. But at this time, that stuff is so caustic. I really hate spraying that stuff because of the environment. So I usually stick with the Glyphosate. Okay, you can get this at Tractor Supply. And you can also get the spray indicator. Okay, you'll need that. And I'm gonna show you in this mix here why it's so important, okay, to use the spray indicator, because there's so many weeds out there. You start losing your mind out here. And it's best to put an indicator on there so you know you've already sprayed that spot and you can move on, okay? Now the mix here is you follow the instructions, or like I do, I follow instructions and double the dose. And that double the dose is a little stronger, but it works in this cold temperature, so I don't have to spray these as much. So give you an example of what I do with the indicator and the Glyphosate. Here's a weed here, and these are invasive, so I just give them a good spray. Okay, as you can see, it's a different color now, and it'll stay like that for a day or two. And then I'm gonna hit this horrible Dallas grass that it's just invasive. It's coming to this state now, and it's everywhere. Okay, you're gonna spray this sucker real good, okay? And make sure that when you do this, it's not gonna rain the next day. So you need this stuff to sit on there for at least 24 to 48 hours because it's cold and it's gonna take longer for it to activate. Now remember, the Glyphosate, or if I didn't say, it has surfactant. And if you don't know what surfactant is, surfactant gets on there and causes the chemical to stay attached to the plant. So this already comes with it, so you don't have to buy anything else except this at Tractor Supply. Okay, you have to get this at Walmart, but this at Tractor Supply, and the spray indicator. And you want to add the spray indicator to your vinegar so you know where you shot that plant. So that's real important too. So this stuff is really great. I know you have to make 2 stops if you want to be environmentally friendly, but it's well worth it because you know what you've shot already. Because you see the blue on there. You can see the blue on here compared to the others. These other guys here. This stuff works really well. Now, results may vary. It could take up to 14 days for you to see these things starting to die, okay, because the temperature is different. So in the summer you could shoot this stuff, and by 2, 3, 4 days you're going to see something going on, and then by the 7th day you're going to see the things dying. But in this cold temperature right now, as things are getting time to be wintertime, it's going to take longer. So once again, good luck, God bless, and this works for me.